Namaskar, dear IAS aspirants. You are welcome on our YouTube and podcast channels. Today, I am again taking some basics for starting your preparation for preliminary as well as main exam. Interview I have already given in other talks. Today, I am taking the issue that when you think of entering in civil services examination, how to go about it. Coaching, of course, you should join, but before coaching, there are so many things you should do. Optional subject. The thing is, when you are going to join civil service where you have to take decision on the spot, can you delay taking the choice of optional subject? No. Second thing, one of the interviews, because I have gone through very so many interviews or YouTube channels where students have put in their information, and even during my mock interviews with students who qualified for main, that some revision is necessary per day. So what is your daily program? Daily program is must for you is 2-3 hours only for revision, because if you revise everything which you have studied during daytime, in the end of session, the course has been revised by you 5 or 6 times. Good enough. Everything will be in your mind. See, first reading, you will hardly get anything. Second reading, by third or fourth readings, you will understand as to how to write and what. But how to write? The question is, suppose it is on monsoon El Nino. Question may be in different minutes. Same subject to El Nino may be taken up in 5 ways. How to answer? First, read the body. Have you heard about abrupt rains, etc.? What is the cause? It means he is referring to El Nino or some other happening. Now, similarly in other subjects, if it's a question of history, it may not be necessary he is asking narrative. He is asking the reasons for defeat of Humayun against Sher Shah Suri. What were the main reasons? What are the main achievements of Akbar? So you have to write top 10 points, not miscellaneous. And what to read per day? 1 hour in newspaper. Never waste time more than this. But 1 hour, see, 20 minutes to 50 minutes is okay. Read Hindu newspaper. So this is most important for civil service exam. You can read 2 newspapers, but I'll suggest that I'm talking to those students who are above average, who are not genius, who have not secured 90% marks every time. Even they can qualify, because once you qualify for preliminary and mains, in interview the route is simple, because interviewers are more concerned about your presence of mind, your courage, your prompt answers, your thinking, like this, and you must be having that quality. See, Sachin Tendulkar may not have qualified more than 12th class something. Our MS Dhoni. So don't go by only studies. If you think that you are above average, you can qualify, and you can qualify in first attempt. Never go for second attempt in your mind. See, the thing is, once you have passed out your graduation and doing your post-graduation or some other study, you are fresh in your mind. You can clear the thing in first attempt, because first attempt you are already prepared for answering the thing, because you have just appeared in other exams so many times. If you give a break of 5 years and then you start, it may be difficult for you to qualify in the first attempt, but not when you are fresh. So 1 hour and 3 hours, 4 hours you have already booked for your revision and newspaper. Then monthly magazines, coaching material, some books. Even if you have not started formal coaching, just go through NCERT books. For economy, these are the best. 11th, 12th class NCERT books, best for economy. For polity, you may go through one. Lakshmikant book is also good. History, Bipin Chand book is good. But NCERT, there is no parallel. NCERT books from 6 to 12 for non-science people is good for science subjects. It has described everything in a simple manner. NIOS books are also good, but when you need more description. So you should do mock writing, mock test you must write, and also find out what are your mistakes. Have you written the introduction? Have you written the body? Have you come to the climax? When you see a movie, you always think of where climax was not good. It means climax is very necessary. Beginning is necessary. The content is necessary. If there is no a good story in a movie, even if it is of Salman Khan or DiCaprio, you may dislike it. Array, didn't like it. It means you should put proper body contents and also climax, and you should be able to find out what are the sub questions in the main question. Always listen or read properly to what is the exact question in what parts, what is the number. And sometimes what happens during main exams, sometimes it is also possible in preliminary exam that you are left with less time. What to do at that time, and you know everything. Suppose you already attempted 5 questions, 3 more are to be attempted, but you don't have time. 10 minutes are left out of 2 hours or 3 hours. Then 10-15 minutes, so you do flow diagram. Just jot down key points. You must put, like you know that सर्फ है तो मुमकिन है, घड़ी है तो पहले यूज़ करें फिर विश्वास करें. These are punch lines. So you should write punch lines when less time is there to write the exam. In preliminary exams, you must cover all syllabus. I will advise cover all syllabus, because very deep questions are not asked. They are asking you general knowledge questions. So please touch all points. Some of the candidates who qualified for IAS with good distinction, means first 10, first 15 rank, they said, "Arey, leave half the thing. Don't go medieval history. Don't do economy. Leave ecology." No. Please read other things, so that, because when I am talking to you, go for revision, so you should have sufficient time. And you should, when you are silent, you keep on revising in your mind. Mind is the best to keep revising. Other things related to this thing is that you should discuss the things, some important topics with your seniors, whom you know, your coach mates and all that. And coaching material is also good. Never read 5 books on same topic. If you are reading NCERT books on history, forget about Bipin Chand. If you have got, for example, Rao's IAS material or some other IAS material, read only 2 more. You need not do research on these things. You should cover more and more topics. So this is about all for preparing main exams and also some tips about Peabody. Thank you very much. Namaskar.